I just bought this Shark Vertex Pro Power Lift Away. That's from Kohl's. That I really want this for a while. I got it kind of sale price. So it comes with, here it says 5-year limited warranty and 2-year battery warranty. So I'm going to unbox this, see what I got in here. Okay, and here's a quick start guide on the box here, and the menu, owner's guide, and here I think it's that's first. Oops. Oh yeah, there's the part of the vacuum cleaner and hose. Okay, here. Here I think is it's kind of hard for me to take this out with one hand and try to take it away. Okay. This is the head of the vacuum cleaner. Let's put down here. Let me see another layer of cardboard. Take out here, we see the attachment. The power. This must be the charger and the other attachment here. Down here now, and another box here. God. So like if you want to return, it says hey, you have to put everything back to how it look like. Got it? Just like you're like doing a puzzle, trying to put everything together like this with box with box. I think this is battery. It's pretty heavy. Okay, that's what we have here. And then I think this is a main part of the body of it, and this is another part in the stick part. Yeah, I think we got everything out here. Well, all the parts for right now. I'm going to unwrap this. Okay, here we go. After I unwrapped all the garbage I got here, this is what I got. All the parts, everything that comes with it. You see here, and charger. Then this one is the battery, the hose, like where you for your control, and this is the extra attachments. This is the whole thing. Yep, and on this quick start guide, I tell you how to put them together. But for your first use, it's tell you need to give a full charge for your battery, and then later on down drain to 0, then charge it again to get the most of it. So I'm going to put this in together and have a test run with it after I charge my battery. Okay, after you just clicking. And then everything is in here except the battery. Here's where you put the battery in. So it's pretty nice. Feels really good. Vacuum. Well, later when my battery is charged, I'm going to taste it, see how that works. Okay, so the indicator for the charging, the light is completed off. So I think it's full charged. Now I'm just going to put that back on my vacuum cleaner. Okay, I have my battery here, so I'm just going to put in here. crocheting, I guess. Click. Okay, it's in. It's so for this one you kind of have to every time take this out to charge it. I kind of wish they can just make that, you know, you have a thing plug in here like another Shark, and you just put the power charge here directly, a plug in, so you don't have to take it out all the time. This is the one thing I think they should improve. So okay, looks like it should be ready to go. I still have the tag here. Oh, I'm just gonna put my feet here, and just push it down. Let me see. Then you have this power button on. Okay. So it's spinning, and then there is a light. That's why I like Shark a lot. Is this light? The headlights have there. You can really see. And then here show you the power. This one's supposed to change the strength. This one's, I think, is supposed to be the echo mode, medium, and the strongest one. Let's put in echo mode. And this is change the, yeah, I think it's for your carpet pile. Actually, it's not really that loud. Some people say it's really loud, like an airplane jet. Not really. Let's see. Do you get anything here? I'm just gonna use the low mode to see if I pick anything. I would say, yeah, you don't have the weight here like the usually you got here, like the normal stick vacuum, but you do feel some weight here, but whatever. It's a vacuum, you know. If you want that work, you have to, can't be just totally free of weight. So yeah, I'm just going to use this for a while, see how that works. Nice thing about this vacuum that it stands by itself. See, then you don't have to like worry about the other ones. You have to find a place to go to put it. And then great thing, if when you have a vacuum cleaner that has a headlight, and you just never want to go back. I have Dyson, but it just, you can't see anything when it's dark. Like here, you can really see the dirt on your floor. It's default from medium power. I actually just do the really echo mode. It actually pick up everything that I have. So see, you can really see, like, oh my god, how much dirt it actually have. Without the light, you can't hardly see. Then you just really don't realize how dirty your floor is with the dust. That's the nice thing about this one. I think only downside is when you go down some furniture really low, you can't really put it in with this big head there, so you have to take it off. But otherwise, it works really well.